Is Nearby Share not working or missing on your Samsung phone? This can happen because of software glitches, outdated settings, or disabled features. It's important to fix this so you can easily share files and stay connected. Don't worry, here's how you can quickly resolve the issue. Let's get started. Solution 1. Check Quick Share settings. First, let me clarify that Nearby Share is known as Quick Share on Samsung devices. Now go to the settings, then tap on Connected Devices. After that, tap on Quick Share. Now scroll down a little bit. Then toggle on the Show Available Devices on the Share panel. Next, turn off the Use Wi-Fi Only option. Solution 2. Turn on Wi-Fi Scan Throttling. Go to the Settings, then scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on the Developer option. Now scroll down a bit, find the Wi-Fi Scan Throttling, and turn it on. Now restart your phone and try again. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solutions. Solution 3. Turn on Nearby Device Scanning. Open up the settings again, then tap on Connections. Next, tap on More Connections settings from the below. Now turn on the Nearby Device Scanning. Solution 4. Turn on Wi-Fi Scanning and Bluetooth Scanning. Go to the settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Location. Next, tap on Location Services. Look at the below. Here, you'll find Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning options. Just turn on them. That's all for today, everyone. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching.